大家好 Pinyin is back. Welcome back.
Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm the student.
In those previous lessons, we have learned the vowels, combined vowels, and tones. Hope those go pretty well for you. Now we'll be doing the front part, the initial, which is also called the consonant. We did mention that the vowel is the building block of the sound. Then the consonant or the initial will be the start button. Both of them combine together to give you a syllable, a meaning of a word. In this lesson, we will learn all the consonants, all the initials. How does the airflow in each consonant happen, and how to avoid the common mistakes. Let's get started. So with these initials, the Mandarin syllable will be initial plus final plus the tone. For example, the word ma is the M. Ma is the initial. Or ba, the word B. How, the word H, written as Pinyin, written as the letter H in the Pinyin. The first set will be the lip sound. So you will end with your lip closing with each other. First one, written as B, but it's different sound compared to English. Ba. It's not ba. This is too heavy, too deep. Just stop. Ba. The word next one. P. Aspirated. P. Now this is similar to English. P as in Peter. P. The word ma, written as M. Ma. Fa. So po, mo, fo. Once again, po, mo, fo. Can you try it, Michelle? Bo. Softer. Bo. Next one, aspirated. Po. Good. Mo. Fo. I'll go different example. Bao. Okay. Ping. Mi. Fan. Yep. You can hear the initial pretty clear. Yep. Next side will be the tongue tip sound. Tongue tip. The first one written as D, but it's not the. The is softer without the kind of nasal sound. The. Can you try it? The. Next one is the aspirated. T. Nasal. N. L. So this one, just to keep in mind that the first one, the instead of the. The rest should be okay if you just follow the pronunciation in English. I'll give you some example. The ta. Michelle? The ta. The na. The I lie. Very good. Next one, the throat sound. So written as GKH. First one, g, not g, too heavy, softer. Your turn.
歌
Similar, aspirated. Air coming out. As in king in English.
课
Next one, hish. This is similar to English. Haha.
喝
Some example. Gao, ao. Gao. Don't do it as gao. No, too heavy. Ao. Gao. Michelle. Gao.
高
ao, cow. Cow.
考
ao, how. How.
好
Alright, let's move on to the next set. Next one is written as JQX. This is quite a bit tricky sound because these sounds do not exist in English. So we put the tongue in front of, just slightly behind the teeth when the teeth are biting against each other. First one, J, G, G.
鸡
And do not follow the pronunciation in English, which is G. No, this is too heavy. Just softer. G. And next one, we have the aspirated version. Q. It's not key. It's qi. Similar to the previous one, but aspirated. Qi.
鸡
Yes, qi. And the next one written as X, but not Z. It's just similar to S. C. Your turn.
西
C. Now I'll do some more example. 家
家
and 钱
钱
谢
谢
So don't worry about that. It takes time, but you will get used to it if you just follow the steps. Next one is the retroflex sound, which is your tongue will be a bit curved at the back of on your throat. Okay. Written as ZH, CH, SH, and R. For example, the word ZH. Zh, 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 zh,
zh
yes,
zh.
right. Now we do some example. Zh, ong, zhong, zhong. Can you try? Zhong,
中
yes.
中
zhong. And the word ch, ch, is similar to the China, CHINA, exactly the same sound, ch. For example, car, ch. You try?
车
Yes. SH, sh. So, for example, shan, mountain, shan. Can you try it?
山
Shan. These three consonants are quite commonly used in Mandarin, so we have to get used to it. There's no other choice. And the next one, r. Can you try r? Yeah, r. Yeah, r. So some people tend to overroll their tongue. R. I can't do that, which is good for me. R, just soft. R. Another example, run for human people. Run.
人
Yeah, run.
can we have more example of this group?
Sure, I'll go back to the first one. ZH, zh.
Sure.
Zhan, zhan,
Zhan,
zhan. Yes,
zhan,
Another example. Zhen, zhen,
zhen,
zhen. Okay. And the word ch, chen,
chen,
chen.
chen,
Yes, chen. Yes. Chang,
chang,
chang.
chang,
Okay. And sh, shu,
shu,
shui.
shui,
And the r sound, rong, rong,
rong,
re.
re.
Yeah, pretty good. You got that pretty good.
Okay.
Okay. The next set is the flat tongue sounds written as Z, C, and S. How do you do that? So both rows of T's are biting against each other and push your tongue against the teeth. Z, z. Can you try it? Z,
Z,
z. The Z sound. Z. Example. 早，早。
早，
哦，左，左。
左，
Next one, the letter C. 吃，吃，吃，
吃，
吃。Yes. So this is the aspirated one. 吃，吃，吃，吃。
吃，
菜，菜，
菜，
草。
草，
Yeah, very good. Next one is the easiest one. 色，色，丝，丝。
丝，
三，三。
三，
扫，扫。
扫。
Okay, very good. Now, there's a key contrast, which is the aspirated tone versus the non-aspirated tones. For example, the word b and p. For example, b a ba, p a pa, ba, pa. Can you try it?
八，趴，
D, p, da, ta.
搭，他，
G, k, g, k.
个，可，
高，靠。
高，靠。
Now, some of the common mistake we have is mixing the sound of the word ji, qi, si, or written as jqx, with zhi, chi, shi, which is zh, ch, and sh. I'll compare the sound with you. The word ji, zi, ji, ji, versus zhi, 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 zi, zhi. Can you try it?
鸡，知，
qi, 扯一, qi, 吃, qi, 吃. Your turn.
鸡，哎，I think I'm wrong 。
Is it?
七，
Qi, correct.
知，七，知。
And xi, 色一, c, 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 吃, 吃, c, 吃.
C sh, si, sh.
Those are two complete different sounds, and the position of the mouth is different. The one on the left, JQX, both rows of teeth are biting against each other, and the tongue pushing out. Ji, chi, si. Next one, retroflex sound. Tongue curve at the back slightly. Zh, zh, ch, sh. It takes time, but you will get used to it. Now, these are the two complete different sounds. Let's recap the sound we have learned. The lip sound, p, m, f, and the tongue dip sound, d, t, n, l. Throat sound, g, k, h, and a bit tricky front sound, ji, chi, si. Retroflex sound, the one that you have your tongue curve at the back, zh, ch, sh, r. Flat tongue sound, z, s, s. Now we have done the initial, finals, and tones. In the next session, we will put them together and make into a syllable so we can understand and we can make it into a complete word or a complete character. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.